Hi. Today we're going to tell you about other AdSense policy violations. We'll also share an information explaining these mistakes. Let's get started. Unsupported languages. All pages that contain ads must be in one of the supported language versions to ensure that they can be contextually relevant. This means that if your site doesn't support one of the supported languages, you won't be able to display ads. 404 pages. Pages consisting of no content or a minor portion of it shouldn't have ads placed on them. Doing so would violate the terms of Google AdSense and could result in you having restrictions on your inventory. Encouragement of aggression. Sites which encourage discrimination, intimidate and harass a group, advocate violence, or exploit others through extortion, promote animal cruelty and sell products that harm or exploit endangered species, shouldn't have ads on them. Some that mislead users about the site's true nature are also prohibited. Promotion of criminal action. If you are going to place Google ads on your site that offers sexually explicit content and gambling, contains information related to weapons and drugs or markets, drugs and alcohol, well, it's not going to happen in any possible way. Hope you found the information useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our videos with other great Google marketing solutions for your business. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.